15th of March 2024. Yes. Vuorikatu 42 here in Kuopio, Finland. The 8th floor, show at the green ground floor bottom. First floor. Yeah, but it's one. Look at that tree.
Yeah.
No one.
Yeah,
one, but
it doesn't stop at second floor.
Oh, okay. It's built in 1969, Sim British 18347. And capacity is 4 persons, so 320 grams, deserves 2 rides. This was amazing.
Yeah.
It also has this doorbell button in the 5th floor door.
Yeah, you can press it.
Why would
Spectate
I do
by
it?
device and by Kone.
We'll be very lucky in Kuopio today, except for your locks, but next year, right? Back to the first floor.
They thought that no one would use the elevator to the second floor anyway, but
Yes.
it's still needless that it doesn't have a door.
Of course it is.
That's